Hello and welcome to the channel. So tonight I'm going to be going out on a bit of a wild camp and I'm just going through the process of packing my bag and deciding what sort of things I should take. So what I thought I'd do is I'd do a video of me actually packing the bag and doing all that sort of stuff before I go, and then we'll do some filming when I'm actually out there camping away. The bag I'm going to be taking for this camp is a new bag that I haven't really used that much. So this is a Vango Ozone 40. Good amount of space for me to get quite a bit of kit in there. Previously I've been using my Osprey 30 litre, so this gives me an extra 10 litres to take some more luxury sort of items. I am going to do a review on this bag at some point, a full in-depth review on it. Let's crack on and get everything packed in here. So for the bag, I've got a massive dry sack, so the sleeping bag and all that sort of stuff can go in there, so I can make sure that everything stays nice and dry that I need. So I laid out majority of the kit on the floor, a really good way just to visually see everything that you're taking. And I can sort of, as I'm checking things off, I can just go, right, okay, have I got my sleeping bag? Yes. Have I got my tent? Yes. Really good way to do it. It's the way I've always done it. So what I'm going to do now is start actually getting these things in my bag. So the first thing that's going to go in my bag is my sleeping bag. And that's going to go straight into the bottom of the liner, because that should be the last thing I need to get out of. So the sleeping bag that I'm going to be taking for this one is an OEX Evolution bag. Yes, this is the Fathom EB400. I've used this down to sort of -4 and I was fine in it. So tonight it's not going to be that cold, hopefully. We'll see. That's going to go in the bag first. So I like to be able to stuff this all the way down and get it into all them little nooks and crannies. So the next thing that's going to go in there is actually these little cotton thermals. These are actually for skiing. Got trousers at the top there. What I like to do is at night, instead of sleeping in all my clothes, I get changed into these little thermals to keep you a little bit warmer. So they're going to go in with my sleeping bag because I'll be getting them out at the same time. We'll keep nice and dry in there as well. One thing that I always find is cold on me is my feet. So I've got some really nice thermal sort of socks to wear in my sleeping bag. So for Christmas, I got some slippers. Really nice inside, so I'm going to put them in there as well. I think I might thank myself a little bit later when I'm in bed if it gets cold. I know I've got these. I'm also going to chuck in there a spare pair of pants and socks. So now I know that all my sleep system and everything is going to stay nice and dry. It's only taken up that much so far, so I've still got quite a lot of space, and that's the biggest thing in there is a sleeping bag. Okay, next thing that's going to go in is my tent. So the one that I'm taking is my Nature Hike Tag R2. I've been using this tent for a while now. It's not really a 4-season tent, but I've been using it in this colder weather and it has been fine, to be honest with you, as long as you get the edges pegged down really low down so the wind can't get up and get at you at night. So that's going to go in. The pegs for that as well, and the poles. So that's the next bulky sort of item in there, and still got quite a good amount of space. For a sleep mat, I've got an OEX Traverse IMX sleep mat. Okay, so for cooking, I'm going to take my alcohol stove just because I just enjoy using it. So a little titanium alcohol stove there, a little bottle of alcohol here, a little spoon, some lighters. So that's everything in the cook set. I could have taken a smaller cook set, but I like having more capability to make more things. So also from the cook set, I've got a little bit of a windshield just in case I need it. And I also accompany that with a sit mat as well. Last time I did a video on a wild camp, I had a chicken korma. I'm keeping the same sort of theme. So this time I've got a chicken tikka masala in a can from Tesco. So I'm going to give that a go and see what that's like. So this time I've got some rice with it. I'm going to do some rice. And some mini poppadoms. I'm going to take these as well. And I've also got a mystery can. My friend who's coming with me gave me this mystery can. Took the label off, left the instructions on though. So I have no idea what could be in this. How I've got to take it. It could be nice, it could be awful. Moving on, wash set. So I'm just going to go into this little bag here. Toothbrush, toothpaste, hand sanitizer, tissues, you never know. Some wet wipes as well, they're good for like cleaning stuff or washing. I'm going to take a little bit of shower gel as well, in case I want to wash my face or anything like that in the morning. And some roll-on pit stuff to smell nice. That's going to go the underneath lid here, a little admin pouch, and also in there can go my first aid kit. The next thing I'm going to be packing is the warm kit, wet kit, or mid-layer, little fleece here, the nice padded sort of jacket there, and I've also got a set of waterproof jacket and waterproof trousers, just some little thin ones. Hopefully it shouldn't rain, but if it does, I've got them. I'd rather have them and not need them than need them and not have them. My waterproofs are just going to get stuffed into this front pouch here. The reason for that is if it does start raining while we're walking and we're moving, and I need to get them on quickly because it started to rain, really easy to get to. Take the pack off, open that up, pull them out, get them on, get the pack back on, carry on. few extra little bits of warm kit that I'll be taking. Decent set of warm gloves, keep my fingers warm, and a very good, decent hat, keep my head nice and warm. Next thing, water. I'm taking water. I've got a big 2 litre bottle of water here, litre bottle here. That is pretty much everything packed now. The only other little bits I'm going to be taking is just a little utility knife. It's always good to have another spare lighter just in case. And then the rest of it is just things that I like on charge, like my power bank is on charge at the minute, and my head torches is also on charge, and my filming lights and all my filming equipment and stuff like that, which is also on charge. I should have now have everything in there, the basics that I need to be able to go and have a wild camp now. So, well, thank you very much for watching the video, and if you did enjoy it, please do like and subscribe. And if you do want to watch the video of the wild camp that we just did, I'll stick it up here somewhere, around this area, somewhere here. If you want to watch that, go and give that a watch. If you've got any questions or any comments or any suggestions or anything, just drop me a comment and I'll definitely get back to you. Until next time, see you later.